Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome high CPU uses in your computer. So it's very simple. Come over into Google Chrome browser, click on this three dot and then go for more tools. And over here you can simply check Task Manager over here. And from here you can simply check which extension or which Google Chrome extension using the high CPU uses. As you can see, the most uses right now is Google Chrome browser. So if you're using the Google Chrome browser, but if you have any of extensions that making more users, then what you can do, you can simply click on that and click on end process. By this you can fix this problem. Also there is another way called, if you click on this three dot button and then go for extension or manage extensions, click on that. And from here, if any of extension you are not using any longer, then you can simply remove them in a very simple way. Like I was going to remove this free VPN, so I'm going to remove it, click remove. So you can simply choose which extension you are not using and you can delete it. By this simple two process, you can simply fix the high RAM users for your Google Chrome. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.